Alright, you guys. So this guy, Trevor on YouTube here, reached out to me about how I wired in my Fender Eliminator. To be honest with you, it's been a while. I'm not exactly sure offhand, so I figure I'll just take off this seat here and take a look at it and see what I did. So got it all zip tied up here. So these wires here, that's your original left and right hand turn signal. And then what comes out of the Fender Eliminator here goes into a pigtail that I must have cut here. I got electrical tape on it, so I'll rip that off here quick so then we can see which wires I connected to each other. Don't worry about this. This is just my helmet strap so nobody steals it. I'm not even quite sure how these were mounted. They obviously have a specific spot to go on, but like I said, it's been a while, so I must not have been able to get it back where it needed to be. So there's my splices here where I tapped into the existing. And the reason why I do it always like this is if I ever needed to redo it, or for whatever reason this harness ever went bad, then at least I didn't mess with the actual OEM side of things, so the bike side of things. This plug can easily be, replaced. It looks like it's just a pull-up tab on it. Or maybe not. Yeah. So I can easily just replace this section of it. But this is actually going to the tail light itself. And so for red, I've got the pink with a blue stripe. For black, I've got the green. Doesn't look like there's any other identification on it. And then we got the green with the yellow stripe going to the green wire coming from the Fender Eliminator tail light. And if you give me a sec, I'll grab the DVOM just in case your colors are different going to your tail light, and we'll find out which ones they actually are. Alright, so we want to go to DC. We're going to want to probe in here and see what we got. So we're going to take it to ground, and we're going to just check and see if we got any voltage anywhere. We obviously shouldn't. So nothing. And that's what it should be. And I'm going to turn my key on here. And that should give me my tail light. So we're going to ground this again. Nothing. Nothing. There, we got voltage. So this would be your running light. And the way this went in, so your running light is your pink and your blue stripe. Pink wire, blue stripe. And your brake light, how would I do this? I really don't have, alright, gotta kick the leg over the bike, because then I can press the brake pedal there. So the brake pedal now is depressed. We should still have our power going to our pink and blue stripe, which we do. Now we'll check that black, and there's power going there now in the middle. And on the far side, nothing. So the green with the yellow stripe is your stop light. So your enhanced light. And it would be this green itself, that must just be a negative then. We'll do a continuity test just to confirm that. So I'm grounded out, and I will touch my green wire, and that zeroes out. It's hard to see. There. So that's your ground. So you got your ground is the green with the yellow stripe. That's your stop. And then pink with blue stripe is your running light. Well, I hope this video helped you out, Trevor. If it helped you and anyone else that is watching this, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And leave a comment if you have any further questions. Thank you.